Oh, I mean, we're not talking about ice, but we are talking about snow.
But close, right, Andrew?
That's right. Hockey weather arriving here in Detroit for our Monday. And because of that, we have winter weather advisory that goes into effect from noon until 7 tomorrow evening as we go into Oakland, Macomb counties northward into the Thumb. That includes Lapeer, St. Clair, and Sanilac counties. From now through the morning commute, it remains dry. I mean, take a look at Storm Tracker 4. No snowflakes in sight, at least here locally, but just to our west, just to our south, there's more moisture that bumps into the cold air that's already on us right now. You can see that moisture back toward Chicago, parts of Wisconsin, where it's bumping into some of the cold air there. So you're seeing a mixture of rain and snow from Chicago to Milwaukee. Here in Detroit and southeast Michigan, we'll see temps down to the freezing mark or a bit lower across the region. Take a look at your 4-zone weather. Currently, we've got temps in the mid-30s right here in downtown Detroit at 35. It goes down a few more degrees, and every degree matters, with temps in the upper 20s and low 30s by dawn. Temps between 28 and 31 degrees right here in the metro zone, down to around 30 or 31, just below freezing in our south zone as well. Temps in the upper 20s to about 30 degrees in our west zone, out toward Livingston County, western Oakland County. Same thing in our north zone, upper 20s to about 30 degrees from Macomb Township, Romeo, and into the Thumb, northern Oakland County included. So with that cold air in place, that is key because the moisture gets added to it and it produces snow. Snow starts to arrive as early as 10 o'clock in the morning, just down to our south. It moves in from the south across the Ohio border in Lenawee and Monroe counties and then overtakes all of southeast Michigan by 2 o'clock in the afternoon and becomes persistent, at times heavy as it intensifies during the afternoon for the afternoon commute. So the morning's relatively dry, but midday and the afternoon, it becomes snowy. 36 right now over at the airport with a wind out of the east at around 8 miles per hour. Fair skies for now, but we'll have cloudier skies by dawn and when you join us on Local 4 News today. It's 34 currently for our friends in Pontiac, but at or below freezing north of M59 in places like Romeo and up toward K-Pac and around Emmett. Just above freezing also from Dundee to Ann Arbor, where it's now 33. So take a look at what happens as we go over the next 24 hours. Clouds steadily increase tonight, and when you join us tomorrow morning on Local 4 News today, we'll have mostly cloudy skies. The areas of blue, that starts to move into the area as we get closer toward the end of tomorrow morning's commute. And look at how it rapidly expands and intensifies in these darker areas of blue from Port Huron down here to Detroit and much of southeast Michigan into the early afternoon. But much of it becomes more scattered by the evening, but we still have some scattered snow possible for tomorrow night. So when Monday is all said and done, here are some of the snow totals that I'm expecting. Up to around 2 inches or slightly more from Detroit southward. That includes 1 to 2 inches. So in some places as little as about an inch, especially farther south you go, up to about 2 inches right here in Detroit and up to 8 Mile. Oakland and Macomb counties, Livingston County included, up to around 2, even 3 inches. Once you get north of M59 and into the Thumb, that's where we could see as much as 2, 3, even nearly 4 inches or slightly more. Not just on grassy areas, on paved surfaces as well, including our streets, our highways, and our sidewalks. So 31 degrees overnight, mostly cloudy skies. Let's plan out your Monday, shall we? It's going to be dry in the morning, but we need to consider our plans for midday and the afternoon as that snow arrives and as it becomes more steady, especially shortly after lunchtime and again for the afternoon commute. Temps stay in the 30s all day long, only to around 38 degrees. A little slippery on Tuesday morning with some lingering snow showers, but notice this. We're above freezing, so we'll see a decent amount of melting. A lot of it, in fact. 46 degrees by Tuesday, then it feels and looks more like springtime later this week. 54 degrees on Wednesday with rain showers late, a little more sunshine, a few rain showers mixed in, but temperatures in the 60s on Thursday and Friday, and by next weekend, temperatures in the 70s. Again, more updates coming tomorrow morning on this impending snowstorm on Local 4 News today.